A team of crime branch officials in fact, are at Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty's residence. Raj Kundra is also with them. Team of the crime branch is, in fact, right now as we speak, at Shilpa Shetty's residence, which is shared with Raj Kundra, who is already under custody in the porn scandal. Saurabh Vakhtania, my colleague, joining me with more details on this. Saurabh, just bring us more details. Is there some sort of recovery that they have brought Raj Kundra for, or is there some questioning for Shilpa Shetty as well? Are there, indications that she might also be questioned?
Well, Ankit, just some time back, the Mumbai Crime Branch team have reached the residence of Shilpa Shetty, which is in Juhu area of Mumbai. They also have Raj Kundra with them. Now, Shilpa Shetty is also at home. What we have been told that it's very likely that Shilpa Shetty will be questioned and also confronted with Raj Kundra. Now, why this is important, Ankit? Because the company which is in question right now, that's the Vian company, where recently Crime Branch has also, they conducted a search operation. Lot of recovery was done from this particular office, Ankit. From here, lot of data was recovered. Today also, when Raj Kundra was produced in the court, clearly Crime Branch mentioned that lot of porn movies, lot of data was recovered from this particular office. This office was also being used to produce the porn movies. And let me tell you, most importantly, Shilpa Shetty is one of the director in this particular company. So it's very likely they might question her that what was her role? Was she aware about this whole porn movies racket? So this is a very big development right now, Ankit, coming from Mumbai, that the Crime Branch team of Mumbai Police have reached the residence of Shilpa Shetty along with Raj Kundra. Searches are going to be conducted. Questioning has to be done. She might also be confronted with Raj Kundra whether she was aware about this whole thing. Shilpa Shetty till now has not broken her silence. We have tried her several times what she has to say about the whole racket. Today she posted a message on a social media. It was a cryptic message, not clearly on the whole issue. So it's getting bigger, Ankit, day by day, because now what Crime Branch is saying, that this is not just related to Mumbai, but this is a very larger porn racket, not just Mumbai, not just in...
Specifically about Shilpa Shetty, what are your sources telling her? What is this confrontation all about? I mean, do they only want to know whether she was aware of Raj Kundra's business dealings, including his role in this alleged role in this porn racket? Or is there something else, more to it that the police wants to know as far as Shilpa Shetty is concerned? Saurabh, can you hear me?
Yes, Ankit, I can hear you.
Saurabh, tell our viewers more details. Is this just related to the fact that they want to know whether Shilpa Shetty was aware of this business, or do they have something more about role of Shilpa Shetty in this entire alleged scandal?
Well, Ankit, on this particular thing, there is no confirmation as of now from the Crime Branch. They have not said anything. The clear thing, what Crime Branch clearly said is that we cannot, we are open with all sorts of investigation in this case. We are investigating this case from all possible angles. The question which particular group of companies, the Vian group of company where Crime Branch conducted the search operation, they were also mentioned this in the remand copy, Ankit. Not just few porn movies, let me tell you, over 100 porn movies have been recovered from this particular office. It is also alleged that particular porn films were being produced in this particular office. So this office is very important.
I think we have lost that line with Saurabh. We'll try and reconnect with him. Saurabh was telling us this is the Juhu residence of Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra, where the Crime Branch team has now arrived along with Raj Kundra. With them, he's already in custody. And there is a possibility that he would be brought face to face with Shilpa Shetty. What they want to understand is whether Shilpa Shetty knew anything about this business and the dealings of Raj Kundra. Saurabh is back with us. Saurabh, is this the house that Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra share? The Juhu house that you are talking about? Is this the place of their residence? Do they live here together?
Yes, Ankit. This is the particular place where Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra reside. So coming back to the recovery which Crime Branch has made in this case, lot of searches were conducted, Ankit, and let me tell you, lot of data is already deleted. So now what the Crime Branch is doing, they are going to take help of forensic experts who is going to retrieve all this data. Now, another important point which Crime Branch today mentioned in the court, that lot of this data was actually sold to worldwide content. So this particular porn movies which were been made in India, this was sold to the foreign countries, and that particular transaction was in several millions. So how much Raj Kundra and his company was earning through this porn racket? Another important point is that the profit which were they getting from this porn movies racket, that was also given, that was also used for betting. This Mumbai Crime Branch needs to investigate this. This is what they told court. So now this racket becomes really huge. Shilpa Shetty being the director of one of the company, that's the Vian group of company where Crime Branch conducted search operation day before yesterday. So it becomes very important because yesterday when we spoke to the senior officers of the Crime Branch, they clearly said that yes, directors will be questioned. We directly asked them that whether Shilpa Shetty will be questioned. They said our investigation is completely open. As and when the name come up, as and when the investigation is in progress, we'll definitely question all the directors of the company. So it's very likely today, Ankit, that when Raj Kundra and Crime Branch team are at the residence, they might question Shilpa Shetty also. They might confront Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra together. So many important facts will come out in this case.
Right. Sort of just give us a sense. How many people of this Crime Branch team are there? Because it more or less looks like taking Raj Kundra back to try and gather some evidence to try and get some recoveries done. This house where Shilpa Shetty is living in, so has this been searched before? Or this is the first time that they have come here?
Ankit, earlier there were some searches which conducted, what the sources have told us. But right now, they have more evidence. Now, in particular police investigation, Raj Kundra has always maintained that he is innocent. He has not made any porn movies. Whatever movies which he has made, those are erotic movies. They are not porn movies. When we spoke to the Mumbai Crime Branch, they clearly said that they have taken a legal opinion in this case and the definition of porn movies properly established in this case. And
making, distribution, production of porn films in India is illegal, and that is why Raj Kundra is in so much trouble. Now, the Crime Branch team, which has already arrested Raj Kundra a few days back, has the custody of Raj Kundra till 27th of this month, has arrived along with a large team and Raj Kundra at Shilpa Shetty's residence in Juhu. This is the residence where Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra, both of them share this residence. And at this moment, the Crime Branch team is at this residence, possibly for some recoveries. And as Saurabh was telling us earlier, Shilpa Shetty is also going to be made to sit in front of, with Raj Kundra to try and establish whether she knew about the dealings, the business, the nature of business of Raj Kundra. This is getting, more problematic for Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra with every passing day. The evidence is piling up against Raj Kundra in the sensational Porngate scandal, which is being investigated by Mumbai police. Kundra's custody, as I was telling you earlier, has been extended till 27th of July. Shilpa Shetty, meanwhile, who has been missing in action since the arrest of her husband, shared a cryptic post on Instagram. Right now, she is at the very residence where the police, along with Raj Kundra, is conducting these searches.
Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra is in a world of trouble. He's been named as the key conspirator in the sensational porn scandal in Mumbai. Shilpa, however, has maintained a stoic silence on her husband's arrest till now. This is the post that Shilpa Shetty has put up. A cryptic post that leads to more questions than answers on exactly what Shilpa has to say about the charges against Kundra. The post, a quote from a book, reads, "Do not look back in anger or forward in fear, but around in awareness." Since the arrest of her husband, Shilpa went AWOL on social media. She skipped the shoot of reality show Super Dancer Season 4. Meanwhile, proof is piling up against Raj Kundra. India Today has learned that the business tycoon produced 100 porn movies in the last 1.5 years. His app Hotshot had 20 lakh subscribers who watched porn movies.
Crime Branch sources are saying that Raj Kundra is not at all cooperating in police investigation. He does not answer many of the questions and also denies the charges. He say he never made porn movies. But the Crime Branch sources are clearly saying they have enough and strong evidences against Raj Kundra.
Meanwhile, many actresses have spoken against Kundra. Exposing the sleaze racket, actress Sagarika Suman claims she is now being harassed and threatened for speaking out.
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब हूँ बिकॉज मुझे नेट कॉलिंग से बहुत सारे कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, अलग अलग जगह से कॉल्स आ रहे हैं और मुझे जान से मारने की धमकी दी जा रही है. मुझे बहुत गलत बोला जा रहा है. मुझसे ये कहा जा रहा है कि राज कुंद्रा ने इतना बड़ा क्या गुनाह कर दिया, सिर्फ पॉर्न ही तो बना रहा था.
As the investigation progresses, Mumbai cops are unearthing more and more dirt on Shilpa Shetty's husband. Shilpa has been guarded in her response and seems to be in no hurry to come into his defense. Bureau Report, India Today.